In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Calendar into a Squarespace website. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Once you're there, head into the calendar settings. You'll want to find the specific calendar you plan to display on your website, because each calendar can have its own sharing and embed options. Inside the settings for that calendar, look for the embed section and copy the calendar's embed code. This code is what allows the calendar to be displayed visually on another website, instead of just linking visitors away to Google Calendar. As you do this, take a moment to make sure you're copying the full embed code exactly as it appears, since even a small missing character can prevent it from displaying properly later. After you've copied the code, open a new tab and log into your Squarespace Website Manager dashboard. Using a new tab is helpful here because it lets you keep Google Calendar open in case you need to go back and recopy the embed code or double check the correct calendar. Once you're inside Squarespace, navigate to the website you want to edit if you manage more than one site. From there, locate the specific page where you want the calendar visual element to appear. This is important because the placement of the calendar affects how visitors will experience it. For example, you may want it on a contact page, an events page, or a dedicated schedule page, depending on the purpose of the calendar. Open that page in edit mode so you can make changes to the layout and content. At this stage, your goal is simply to prepare the correct page for the calendar to be added. Make sure you're editing the live page you intend to update, not a different draft or duplicate version. It's also a good idea to quickly look at the surrounding content on the page so you can decide where the calendar will fit best visually and functionally. Once you've reached the page editor, you're in the right place to continue the setup using the embed code you copied earlier from Google Calendar. With Google Calendar ready in one tab and your Squarespace page open in another, you've set yourself up for a much smoother embedding process. That's it for this part of the setup. You now have the calendar embed code